I couldn't help but notice your pain.
My pain?
It runs deep. Share it with me.
Cause even when they kill me, they can never take the game from a young G. We straight ballin'.
Well, what are we getting into today? So I just put the new wheels on not too long ago. Shit looking saucy. Crazy how much wheels can do to a car. Woodgrain Bizarrias, 19x9, 19x10 in the rear, 38 offset, 245/40, 255/40. We got the GS right there, sitting pretty. So we're about to upgrade the steering wheel. It's gonna go from this to this bad boy right here. So this is the 92 to 98 steering wheel. The 99 to 2000 had a better looking steering wheel. It was a 3-spoke with a better looking airbag, but this one's all chunky and, you know, we can upgrade to something better, such as this. Get some more wood up in here, no diddy. So it'll be a nice little upgrade. The tools needed to swap your steering wheel: good old ratchet, a 19mm socket, and a T30 screw, hex screw. I don't know if it's called, it's just a T30. But first things first, disconnect your battery. You gotta play it safe. Disconnect the negative. You're also gonna need something small to pry these open. One on this side, and I believe it's this one. It's different than my GS, but I'm assuming it's right here. So now that you've got both covers off, there's these T30 screws, 2 on each side. Let's get them off. So I believe they're loose, so let's see, is it gonna come out? Oh no, I gotta screw a little bit more. Oh, I was wrong. I just had to hit it with my purse. And there it is. Let me unplug it. Got the airbag off. Just right here, press it down. You move this lever up and then press down right here. Next, you have to remove this bolt right here. It's a 19mm. So put that on. And I'm told to leave like one thread, and then when it's almost ready to come off, grab it from 9 to 3 and just start shaking it off, and do 12 to 6 as well. Shake it up and down, side to side. So then leave that bolt so it doesn't come flying off you when you take it off. So let's loosen this bolt up. This bolt has been on for 26 years, so it's gonna take some force. So let's. All right, now let's shake this shit off. Bada bing. Be in there. Just like that, she's off. Let's take this last connector off. Here's the final product. Bada bing. Currently got this Blackwood shift knob in. It's pretty rare, but I got this in. But I don't know. Just testing a couple shift knobs out. But yeah, man, got the woodgrain in. She's smooth. But yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.